This is the LED ring light with tripod from AliExpress. Can be used for selfies, videos on YouTube, TikTok or any social media platforms. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, share and leave a like. Cost me just 99 cents. A real bargain at this rate. Let's open this and see what's inside. Contains two boxes. This one has the tripod. It's a metal, not that heavy. I don't think mounting a camera is possible. Maybe a lightweight mobile phone. And legs can be extended. And the mounting can be adjusted by loosening this knob. This has the LED light and attached controller. Model is LJJ16. Fill light with beauty face, make face and eye in beauty, Nightcore Extreme and multiple color temperatures. This is 16 cm or 6 inch ring light with tripod and controller. Didn't order the phone holder. Light is all plastic. These are the mounting holes, one on either side. Quarter inch can mount on any standard tripod. USB-C power connector. And this is the controller. 4 buttons on it. Power on, minus button, mode button, plus button. I'll mount it on tripod. I've connected it to a power bank. and power button has lit up. Can switch on by pressing power button. Minus button will let you reduce the brightness on each mode. Mode button has three settings: cool white and warm white, and something in between, something which is close to more natural, I guess. With plus button you can increase the brightness